In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a FAQs section to your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance your website by providing valuable information to your visitors, potentially answering some of the common questions they might have without the need for them to contact you directly. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and navigate to wix.com. Here you'll find the login page where you can enter your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll have to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Here, you need to click on Select Site. This will bring up a list of the sites that you have created or collaborated on. Choose the site where you want to add an FAQ section by clicking on it. Now that you're in the selected website's management area, look for the Design Site option and click it. This step will take you into the Wix editor, where you can make changes and add new elements to your site. Once inside the editor, you'll see a lot of different options to enhance your website's design, but don't get overwhelmed. Today we'll focus on adding that FAQ section. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen for a button that says Add Section. It might be represented with a plus sign. Clicking this will open up a panel with various sections you can add to your site. Scroll down or type in the search bar to locate FAQ List. When you click FAQ List, you'll see some pre-designed FAQ sections that Wix has made available for you. Browse through these options to find one that fits the style of your website. Keep in mind how this section will complement your site's overall look and feel. Once you've found the perfect FAQ section, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a quick preview. If you're satisfied with the look and layout of this FAQ, add it to your site by clicking Add to Site. At this point, the FAQ section will be integrated into your web page. You can adjust the position by dragging it into place if necessary. To customize it, simply click on the text fields and modify the questions and answers to suit your business needs. This well-organized FAQ section is now live on your site, providing your visitors with valuable information. Remember, keeping this section updated with relevant questions ensures your visitors have the best user experience. And there you have it, a practical and straightforward way to enhance your website. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website editing.